Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. So today is unboxing day. Today is unboxing day. I know I'm supposed to be making electronics projects for you, and I will soon, but stuff keeps arriving in the mail, so I've kind of got to process it so I can get on with using it, in fact. So very much looking forward to showing you this bit of equipment today. It's actually a 2-for-1. It's a kit. Now, my internet is down at the moment. My Wi-Fi router conked out and I have to buy a new one. So while I'm waiting for a new Wi-Fi router to arrive, I'm making videos, but I don't have access to the internet. Now, I do want to show you the information you can find online about this, and I will do that, but I can't record that right now. So I'm going to record that later and put it in here. So you'll see that next, but then after that we'll do the unboxing, which is what I'm going to be doing now. I suppose a professional wouldn't tell you all of those editing details. Anyway, I'm very excited about this equipment that's arrived today, so let's throw you over to the bench and see what we're looking at. Here on the computer. So I just wanted to show you, this is the ATPK3, the bundle kit Atlas DCA75 Pro Advanced Semiconductor Analyzer, and the LCR45 impedance meter with case and batteries. You can see here it comes with a AAA battery and a smaller 12-volt battery, USB software, the LCR45, the DCA75, and it comes with a manual for each of those as well. This is the retailer Element 14, which is the Farnell brand in Australia. I bought this here the other day for $468 including tax. Product overview: the ATPK3 is a Atlas Pro Pack, the LCR45 and DCA75 plus case. Complete with extra spare batteries for each instrument, custom carry case and user guides. This pack contains the LCR45 passive component impedance meter, great for advanced hobbyists and professionals. It also contains the very popular DCA Pro model DCA75, fantastic for component identification, pinout identification, detailed characteristic measurement, and curve tracing on a PC. Complete with USB cable and software on a USB flash drive. Analyzer type is a dual pack for semiconductors and LCRs. LCRs indicates inductor, capacitor and resistor, the three types of passive components that you can measure with this impedance meter. Component types: automatic detection, LCR45 test frequencies, auto manual, DC 1 kHz, 15 kHz and 200 kHz. That 15 kHz, by the way, that's an approximate value. The actual value is 14.9 something kilohertz. I'm not sure why it's such a specific frequency, but it must be important for some reason. DCA75 display type, the graphic LCD, not backlit it says. Instruments included are the DCA75 and the LCR45. The DCA75 pinout detection is automatic. The LCR display type is alphanumeric LCD, not backlit. The contents are the LCR45 passive component impedance meter and the DCA75 advanced semiconductor component analyzer with the GP23 battery, which I believe is a 12-volt battery in that small tiny little case, and an extra AAA cell and the dual carry case. So that was from the manufacturer, and then over on the manufacturer, that was from the retailer. This is from the manufacturer. It's Peak Electronic Design. They're a British company based in the United Kingdom. This is their line of test instruments. They've got a whole bunch of them. Down the bottom here you can see this is the Atlas Pro Pack. That's what we've purchased. The Atlas Pro Pack comes with the LCR45, which is here, and the DCA75, which is here. Now you can see that the LCR45 has a little brother called the LCR40, which we didn't get, and the DCA75 has a little brother called the DCA55, which we also didn't get. We got the LCR45 and the LCR75. Now, today we're just going to be unboxing this ATPK3 Atlas Pro Pack. So what we won't be doing today is having a close look at the two particular meters. So I'm going to do a separate video in the future doing a demo of the LCR45 and a demo of the DCA75. So those will be coming out in future. When I do those videos, we'll have a look at details here. But for now, we're just going to quickly skim over the pack, which is what we've unboxed today. As you can see, it's for sale. You can buy it from the manufacturer, by the way. They've got the prices are in pounds. I don't know if you have to pay the value-added tax if you're not in the UK. I don't know. Anyway, we might as well just read their specs. So the analyzer type, it says click to expand. Is that going to work? Okay, yeah, cool. So as you can see, the batteries, the software, the 2 meters, some space for the probes, and then some space for the manual for each one. Is that going to work? Yep. Okay. So the controls are a bit laggy. All right. So this is a picture of the DCA Pro, and this is a picture of the LCR45. And I suppose this is just a picture of the box that they all came in. Cool. So if I press escape, will that? Yep. Okay. So analyzer type, dual pack for semiconductors and LCRs. LCR, as I said earlier, is inductor, capacitor, resistor, the 3 types of passive components. Well, the main types of passive components. I guess wires are also passive components, and perhaps there's other things. Instruments included, DCA75 and LCR45. Component types, automatic detection, automatic pinout detection, a bunch of test frequencies for the LCR45. Display type is LCD, not backlit. I got mixed messages on that backlighting, by the way. Sometimes it says it has it, sometimes it says it doesn't. Anyway, by popular demand, we now offer this Atlas Pro Pack, complete with extra spare batteries for each instrument, custom carry case, and user guides. This pack contains the LCR45 passive component impedance meter, great for advanced hobbyists and professionals. It also contains the very popular DCA Pro, model DCA75, fantastic for component identification, pinout identification, detailed characteristic measurement, and curve tracing on a PC, complete with USB cable and software on a USB flash drive. Please see the individual instrument pages for more detailed information on each product. This special offer deal saves you over £16 on the individual item costs. Includes LCR45 passive component impedance meter, DCR75 semiconductor analyzer, micro USB cable for the DCA75, USB flash drive for the DCA75 PC software. LCR45 includes 2mm plugs and sockets and removable hook probes. Comprehensive illustrated user guide for each instrument, alkaline battery installed in each instrument, spare alkaline battery for each instrument, and a padded carry case. Optional certificate of calibration covers both instruments and includes results of manual verification tests. Instruments are calibrated the same way regardless of whether you require the certificate. Please note that the product color and appearance may vary. The LCR45 and the DCA75 are not backlit. There you go. And so they've got other types of they've got the SMD tweezers and the crop clip set as options. So yes, I think that's everything you need to know about the Atlas Pro Pack. So let me throw you over to the bench and let's have a look at what came in the box. Here on the bench. Now, as you can see, it's come in this little bag. It's marked checked. So it's good to know it's been checked. So have I got some scissors around here somewhere? What have I done with those? Dear me. Here they are. So I'll just snip that little bit of stuff off there. And here it is. Now I'm going to, I'll cut that out later, you don't care about that. There's a little sticker over the top here. Alright. So this is Peak Electronic Design, and I might as well put that little sticker back on. This says Farnell Peak Electronics Design, LCR45, DCA75 and case. The Atlas Tester Pack, ATPK3. So that's the Atlas Tester Pack. This must be their third pack. So let's have a look in this thing. Wow, that's great. Now, these are very nice looking manuals. That's the DCA Pro, and this is the LCR45. We'll have a close look at those presently. Now, it looks like they've given us some software. That's cool. And then, okay, the battery is... Okay, there's two different types of battery. Interesting. Okay. And there we've got a USB adapter. Okay, so one of them can obviously plug into your computer. That's probably what the software is all about. And there we go. Let's put those up there for now. Now I wonder if it's a spare battery they gave us, or if it's the battery that they gave us. Now it looks like you need screws to get in there for a battery replacement. Okay, there we go. So okay, well it looks like we're going to have to RTFM about this one. Okay, so that's the LCR45, and this is the Atlas DCA75 Pro, and on it goes. So those batteries are obviously spare batteries, no component detected. Okay. Okay, scroll off, there we go. Okay. Well, that's everything in the box, isn't it? So pretty happy with that. Came with spare batteries, came with some software by the looks of it. I'm not sure which one you plug in with the USB. That's got a USB micro on it, so that will work. And this one does not have it does have some sort of a reset pin or something in there though. Yeah, I'm not sure. That must just be how the case comes for other things. Okay, cool. So hold that down to turn him off. All right. Well, there's your LCR45. There's your DCA75 Pro. This is, of course, just a standard micro USB cable. The spare batteries, I don't yet know which battery goes with which device. I'm planning to keep these in the back here, up there on my bench. So I'll have to think about what I'm going to do with those spare batteries and the manuals and such. I'll think about that. All right. Well, I might call that unboxing done. What we haven't done is take a close look at the device, and obviously there's two devices here and they're both separate. So I think I might do them separately. I'll do a demo for the LCR45 and I'll do a demo for the DCA Pro as well. Two separate videos, so they'll be coming out soon. I tell you what, before we wrap up this video, let's jump over to the computer and just see. Oh no, we'll do the software in the demo video. So we'll have a look at the demo for each of these things separately. So that's the unboxing. You've seen everything that came in the box. I was very impressed with this bit of equipment from Peak Electronic Design. So yes, very happy to have this very high quality equipment. Of course, I suppose I should mention that the DCA Pro is an advanced semiconductor component analyzer with graphic display and PC connectivity. And this is the DCA75 model, which is the most advanced DCA model at the moment. There is another DCA model. This is the Atlas LCR45, which is an LCR meter with LCR impedance measurement. LCR, if you didn't know, stands for inductance, capacitance, resistance. So it can do those basic passive components and get readings for them. So yeah, this is a component analyzer, and this is like a passive electronics analyzer. So very happy to have this. I'm going to have more of these arriving. I've got the Zen 50 for the Zenode testers. I've got the SCR100 for the triac and thyristor testers. And I've got the ESR meter as well. So I'll be doing the unboxing of the ESR meter, and I'll probably just do a demo of that straight away. But these I'll demo separately. So let me throw you over to the farewell cam. We'll wrap up. And that's a wrap. I thought I might as well wrap it up there. You've seen the stuff come out of the case. We'll do a good close demo of these individually, so 2 more videos to come out to finish off this video. Today was just out of the box, and coming up in the future will be having a look at each of them in turn, including looking at the software that's turned up for the DCA Pro, so I'm pretty interested in that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.